In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. If you've been using Microsoft Edge, you might be familiar with Copilot AI, a tool designed to provide assistance and enhance your browsing experience. However, if you've decided that you'd like to disable it, whether for privacy reasons or personal preference, I'm here to guide you through that process. It's quite straightforward and should take around 5 minutes from start to finish. So let's get started. First, open up the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. If you haven't done so already, ensure that it's the most recent version, as features and settings can change with updates. Once you have Edge open, look toward the top right corner of the window. There, you'll notice a set of 3 dots, which collectively form the menu button. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu giving you access to various options and settings within the browser. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to navigate towards the Settings option. Generally, it will be located near the bottom of the list, so scroll down until you find it. Click on Settings, and this will open up a new page or tab, allowing you to tweak a wide array of options to fit your browsing preferences. With the Settings page now in front of you, the next task is to identify the Copilot section. Now, different versions of Edge may have various layouts, but typically, you'll find a search bar at the top of the Settings page. This search tool is very handy when you need to locate a specific setting quickly. Click into this search bar and type in Copilot. With a quick search, Edge will display options related to Copilot AI. Once you've located the Copilot option in the results, click on it to bring up its Settings page. Here, you should see a toggle button next to an option that enables or disables Copilot AI. If the option is currently toggled on, simply click it to turn it off. You may notice an immediate change in how Edge functions, as Copilot AI is now disabled, allowing you to continue browsing without its influence. That's it, mission accomplished. You've successfully turned off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. Simple, right? Just remember, anytime you decide you want to enable it again, you can follow these same instructions and toggle it back on. Thanks for following along today, and make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. If you found this video helpful, give it a like or let us know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn.